Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make rainbow sorbet full guide. Start by freezing fruit puree in shallow trays to chill quickly, then blend each flavor until smooth. Use a simple syrup to balance sweetness and stabilize texture, then layer or swirl purees gently to preserve color separation. Chill the sorbet briefly between layers, then freeze until firm. Serve scoops in chilled bowls and garnish with fresh fruit. Prepare vibrant purees by macerating fruit with a touch of sugar and lemon, then blend until silky smooth. Strain seeds or fibrous bits for a clean texture, especially with raspberries and kiwi. Make a simple syrup using equal parts sugar and water to adjust sweetness. Cool before combining. Taste and tweak acidity with lemon or lime, then chill purees thoroughly before churning to ensure rapid freezing and smooth crystal structure. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy kitchen companion for timers and playlists. I love using it while I make sorbet to keep time hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider subscribing for more tips and recipes. Now let's get back to the video. Use an ice cream maker for best texture, or freeze in shallow pans and stir every 30 minutes for a no-machine method. Pour each chilled puree in thin layers, smoothing between additions to keep colors distinct yet swirled. Avoid overmixing to prevent mudded hues and freeze until scoopable. For serving, let sorbet rest 5 minutes at room temperature, scoop with a warm spoon, and consider garnishes like mint, citrus zest, or toasted coconut.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.